The next section is for visitor group information and demographics. If you recall, the COVE sampling procedure involves approaching a visitor group and asking them to choose a designated group member to fill out the survey. However, the survey asks several questions about the visitor group. This section displays demographics that pertain to the whole group, not necessarily to the visitor. A couple important charts to look at here first are the number of adults and the number of children in groups. So you'll see on this chart here that the number of children in groups 0 is called out in this red color. It's not because it's bad, it's just because we wanted to make sure you could understand that this was adults only. That's something that a lot of our institutions are interested in. Right below that, we have breakdown bars for ages of children and ages of adults in the groups, and gender of children and adults in the groups. For these four charts, it's important to note that these charts show the age and gender breakdowns for all the children and adults for whom we have age and gender data. It does not show the percentages of groups that contained an adult or child in that age group or of that gender. So, if a group, for example, were to bring a whole bunch of kids who were age 4 to 7, this percentage would get bigger, not just because the group contained at least one child who was age 4 to 7. You also aren't able to click on these to filter the data because of the way they're set up. So if you need more information about that, we can help you figure it out. We also have a chart here showing whether the group was made up of locals, out-of-towners, or mixed. And then we have a disability chart here. So if respondents said, yes, someone in their group had a permanent or temporary disability, this chart breaks down the type of disability that it was.